Welcome to Dilangalan National High School's National Learning Camp.
Over the past few weeks, our students have embarked on a journey of growth, learning, and fun. Today, we bring you insights from those who made this journey possible and memorable. Join us as we hear from parents, learning camp volunteers, stakeholders, and of course, our amazing campers about their experiences and the impact of this incredible program.
Good day everyone, I am Julian Kate Sikatubik. I'm 13 years old and I am one of the campers of Dilangalan National High School NLC 2024. I learned so much in math, science, and English. My skills were improved in the specialized fun field, especially in leadership and in dancing. And it was a great experience meeting new people and interacting with them. We had made numerous memories and especially built a lot of friendship. And I am so happy that I experienced those things in the NLC 2024. We had so much fun for the specialized fun-filled activities that Dilangalan National High School has given us. I would like to thank our camp coaches because they guided us since day one of the National Learning Camp, despite of their busy schedule. And it was great experiencing those specialized activities because with this, our confidence level improved and especially our talents and skills.
Hello everyone, I am Maya TV Hocas. I am one of the campers from Camp Pakakalikasan. Sa amin dito, nagkaroon kami ng maliligayang araw at makakabuluhang mga pag-aaral. Dito sa National Learning Camp, kami ay natututo sa iba't ibang bagay. Natututo kami sa mga bagong inaaral at naging madali na rin ang aming pagkatuto dahil sa mga workbooks na binigay sa amin ng mga teachers namin and mga activities na na-engage kami throughout the class. Thankful ako sa National Learning Camp dahil naging prepared ako sa aking journey papunta sa senior high school.
I am Maria Warren Ramos, the mother of Julian B. Ramos. I would like to thank the National Learning Camp for giving my daughter the opportunity to enjoy the camp, mingle siya with other peers in school, and also kanang na-boost iyahang morale na maka-join with other children in school. Thank you very much, National Learning Camp, for giving my daughter the opportunity to join in the summer camp.
Good afternoon everyone. Ako di ay si Mrs. Carla C. Katubig, a mother of Julian Kate Katubig, isa sa mga campers.
As parents sa isa ka NLC camper, naging part po ko sa NLC kay during the orientation na adjud mi didto. As parents, I am happy to say na naging part mi sa NLC. Learn na mo nga ang NLC di ay dili lang para sa mga bata kundi may part po ang parents sa NLC para sa development sa amo ang mga estudyante.
I am Mark Anthony V. General and I am one of the Learning Camp volunteers of Dilangalan National High School for the implementation of the National Learning Camp.
We are proud that at the NHS, we have gathered participation and active collaboration of our partners and stakeholders. They become the cornerstone of the success of the National Learning Camp. Through the specialized fun-filled activities that the NHS has offered, we believe that the NLC does not only enhance the English, math, and science learnings of our students, but of course the life skills which are very important for the holistic development of our students.
Mag-isa na namin, then ginawa na namin ng paraan para tuloy-tuloy pa yung may tulong namin. As a partner, nakita namin natuwa yung mga bata. Kahit maliit na bagay, para sa amin, napakalaki na yun. Eager pa namin na magkaroon pa ng ibang activity, pwede pa kami makatulong din.
I'm Louis Racosas, the owner of Civic Business Center. I'm also a member of Rotary Club. So I'm happy to be a partner of your institution. It's really in my heart to have in my own way, in very simple way. Minsan, I don't know kung enough ba yung nabigay mo, but as long as it's from the heart kasi sarap ng feeling. Yun lang, para sa akin kasi doing business is not just to earn money, but to share what you earn. For me, ever since nag-start ako ng business kasi it's not all about the money, it's all not about the business, but what you can do in the community. Continue helping and supporting also not only the Dilanggalan National High School, but some institution. Hopefully next year, and God's grace, mas marami pa tayong pwedeng maibigay.
Sayang Midsayap, ako nga pala si Gina May Daul, Librarian 1 ng Midsayap Municipal Library and Information Center under the local government of Midsayap. As a stakeholder of the recently conducted National Learning Camp, we assure that we will continue to serve our community members through our Aklatan para sa Kabataan program, through our mobile library services. And we also intend to strengthen our collaboration with other institutions such as the Dilanggalan National High School and other local partners in which the NLC was recently conducted na we have the same objective to address the learning loss.
We extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone who contributed to the success of the National Learning Camp. Your support and dedication have made a lasting impact on our students' lives. Thank you for being part of this wonderful journey. Together, we are shaping a brighter future for our youth. Basta sa Cotabato, bata ang numero 1.